Merry Vlogmas Day 2! Today's been a busy day. Today I have done some gardening. This is the second bed I've done, so we should have a load of greens this winter. I've got some Swiss chard. I love this one's my favorite, this kind of ruby red. We've got some beetroot. These have just been transplanted, which is why they're kind of saggy. They haven't established yet. And messy garden for just a second. This larger one is the one I did first, and then it rained and all the soil sunk down. But we have some giant mustard, which is super spicy. And then again, we've got some more Swiss chard and some random beets thrown in. And these are kohlrabi babies. And under here, we have carrots. Look at those beautiful babies. Traded some crypto.
What? No! What just happened to Bitcoin?
And turned on the lights.
Oh, so pretty.
Today's Christmas movie is The Santa Claus.
Let me explain something to you, okay? Toys have to be delivered. I'm not going to do it.
Thanks for watching. I hope your day 2 of this merry December is going well. Stay well, and we will catch you tomorrow, I guess. Yeah.
Say hi, girls. No, that's not how you say hi. Yeah? You gonna come over? Or are you just gonna stare at me because I did not bring you a treat? Hi, Anna. What if I did this? You'd be like, is she gonna let us out to play? No, I'm not.